Did you know that nearly 60% of homeowners are unknowingly damaging their hardwood floors each time they clean them? That's right. What seems like a simple chore can actually shorten the life of your flooring, all because of a few common mistakes. Hardwood floors are an investment, adding timeless beauty, warmth, and value to any home. But to keep them looking their best for years to come, it's crucial to clean them the right way. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know to protect, maintain, and truly care for your hardwood floors. Let's begin by understanding why proper cleaning is so important. Hardwood is a natural material, durable, yes, but also sensitive to moisture, chemicals, and abrasion. When cared for correctly, hardwood floors can last for generations, developing a rich patina and character over time. But neglect or improper cleaning can lead to dullness, scratches, warping, and even irreversible damage. That's why knowing what to do and what not to do makes all the difference. Many people, with the best intentions, fall into the trap of cleaning their hardwood floors the wrong way. One of the most common mistakes is using too much water. It might seem logical to mop your floors as you would tiles or linoleum, but water is hardwood's enemy. Excess moisture seeps into seams and joints, causing the wood to swell, cup, or even rot over time. Another frequent error is reaching for all-purpose cleaners or harsh chemicals. Many commercial cleaners contain ingredients that strip away the protective finish, leaving the wood vulnerable and dull. Even the tools you use matter. A stiff, bristled broom or a vacuum with a beater bar can scratch and wear down the surface, turning your once glossy floor into a patchwork of scuffs and marks. So, what's the right way to clean hardwood floors? It starts with choosing the right tools. You'll want a soft bristled broom or a microfiber dust mop for daily cleaning. Microfiber is especially effective because it traps dust and debris rather than just pushing it around. For deeper cleaning, use a vacuum with a hardwood floor setting, one that disables the beater bar to avoid scratching. When it comes to products, less is more. The best solution for most hardwood floors is a cleaner specifically designed for hardwood, free from harsh chemicals and abrasives. Avoid using vinegar, ammonia, or steam mops. These can all degrade the finish over time. Instead, opt for pH-neutral cleaners and always check with your floor's manufacturer for recommendations. Now let's walk through the ideal step-by-step process for cleaning your hardwood floors. Begin by removing loose dirt, dust, and pet hair. Sweep with a soft bristled broom or go over the surface with a dry microfiber mop. This prevents small particles from scratching the finish during deeper cleaning. Next, vacuum thoroughly, making sure to use an attachment or setting that's safe for hardwood. Pay special attention to corners and edges where dust tends to collect. For routine cleaning, lightly mist a small section of the floor with your chosen hardwood cleaner. Never pour liquid directly onto the floor. Dampen a microfiber mop, just enough so it's moist, not wet, and gently mop in the direction of the wood grain. This helps lift dirt while protecting the finish. Immediately dry any wet spots with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. Remember, standing water is the enemy of hardwood, so always be vigilant about moisture. If you encounter sticky spots or spills, tackle them right away with a damp, not wet cloth and a drop of hardwood cleaner. Avoid scrubbing aggressively, as this can damage the finish. Once a week or as needed, repeat this process to keep your floors looking their best. For high-traffic areas, a little extra attention may be required. Now, here's the ultimate cleaning hack that will change the way you care for your hardwood floors. Use a dedicated floor mat system at all entryways. It sounds simple, but it's incredibly effective. Place a coarse mat outside your door to capture dirt and grit from shoes, and a softer mat inside to pick up any remaining debris. This two-step barrier dramatically reduces the amount of dirt, sand, and moisture that ever makes contact with your floors, preventing scratches and wear before they even start. In fact, studies show that up to 80% of floor damage can be prevented with proper mats and regular cleaning. But there's one more secret. Adopt a shoes-off policy inside your home. This simple habit keeps outdoor contaminants at bay, preserving your floors and keeping your living space cleaner overall. Combine this with gentle, regular cleaning, and your hardwood floors will stay gleaming and healthy for years. Let's recap the essential points we've covered. First, avoid common mistakes like using too much water, harsh chemicals, or abrasive tools. Instead, opt for soft bristled brooms, microfiber mops, and vacuum attachments specifically designed for hardwood. Choose pH-neutral cleaners made especially for hardwood floors, and never allow water to pool or seep into the wood. Clean spills immediately, and always mop in the direction of the grain to enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Protect your investment with a 2-mat entryway system, and consider implementing a no-shoes policy to keep grit and grime outside, where it belongs. By following these simple yet crucial tips, you'll not only maintain the look of your hardwood floors, but also extend their life, ensuring they remain a stunning feature in your home for decades to come. Proper cleaning isn't just about appearance, it's about preserving the integrity and value of your floors. Treat them with care, and they'll reward you with years of beauty and durability. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about caring for your home, don't forget to subscribe for more expert advice and easy-to-follow guides. Your floors and your future self will thank you.